Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a brand new channel that I have designed for those who would like to start their business or to improve the process of their existing companies. No matter you are a secondary school student, a university student, just graduated employees, a management trainee, a start-off businessman, or a senior management. The issues in these specific scenarios are good for you to manage your own business now and in the future. In each episode, there will be a dialogue between 2 or 3 persons within the companies. They could be staff, or managers, or senior management. They will demonstrate a scenario for our further analysis and discussion. After the conversation, I shall point out the facts as mentioned in the scenario, analyze and explain to you what are the control deficiencies and how these can be improved further for better practices. After the analysis section, I will recap what we have learned from the scenario for your further thoughts and record. For your information, I was a certified public accountant at HKICPA and ACCA UK, Certified Information Systems Auditors, CISA, Certified In-Case Forensic Examiner, NCASE CFE, and Certified Project Management Professional, PMP, from the US. With over 30 years of experiences in the field, I'm happy to share with you on some key controls and management concept that you may come across these in textbook, but sometimes could be overlooked when situations came. Thanks for your time in watching the introduction. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Here are the topics that we would like to cover in the coming episodes. Sequence may be changed. Travel and entertainment expenses, Part 1. Business impact analysis, Part 1. HR systems, accounting systems, policies and procedures, Part 1. Key controls on payroll, key controls on procurement, Part 1. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.